This is Learning Assessment Problem E227. We have a loop circuit containing a dependent voltage source, and this suggests the problem-solving strategy of circuits with dependent sources. We'll consider a loop current in this circuit, I. We notice that the V sub A controlling parameter for the dependent source is the voltage which appears across the 4K resistor. This is a voltage-controlled voltage source. The voltage VO appears across the 8K resistor and can be related to our loop current by the Ohm's law expression 8K times I. So for the loop circuit, we'll write a Kirchhoff's voltage law, summing the voltage drops around that loop. We have minus 6 volts plus 4K I minus 2 VA plus 8 Ki is equal to 0. Herding terms together, combining terms, we have minus 6 volts plus 12 Ki minus 2 VA equals 0. We'll call that equation 1. Now we need a relationship between the control parameter for the dependent source V sub A and our loop current. V sub A is developed across a resistor, so we can use Ohm's law to say that V sub A is equal to 4K times the loop current I. Call that equation 2. So we have these two equations to solve for the two unknowns. In this case, we can easily substitute V sub A from equation 2 into equation 1, and we have minus 6 volts plus 12 Ki minus 2 times 4 Ki is equal to 0. Again, combining terms, we obtained that minus 6 volts is equal to 4 Ki. Combining terms, we have 4Ki is equal to 6 volts, or I is equal to 6 volts divided by 4K is equal to 1.5 milliamps. Now we can use that result to obtain the desired voltage VO is equal to 8K times 1.5 milliamps, and that's equal to 12 volts.